officers. You want to become a teacher.
I want to become a cricket player.
Want to become a pilot. Want to become a navy officer. I want to become an army officer. I want to become a chef. I want to become a lawyer. I want to become a collector. I want to become a nurse.
I am a farmer.
I want to become a doctor.
Good morning to all. I am your daughter. I work in the hospital. I wear a white coat. I treat sick people. I give medicine and injection. Daughter, nature, God, thank you. I am a farmer. Good morning to all. My dream is stable. It is gentle, kind, and always good. They make you patiently home and care. Good skill talent and yet caring well. They, they, they ease every pain. They teach the importance of a healthy, happy style. One day I hope to be just like them. Thank you. Good morning to all. I am Janasi. My future dream is IAS officer. It is my childhood dream to be an IAS officer. I love to serve my country and my people. I want to change my society, becoming an IAS officer. I want to change on poverty. I want to make my country crime and criminal free. I love IAS officer because they are expected by everyone. Thank you. Become a doctor. Doctor works in hospital. Doctor take care of patient. Doctor treats sick people. Doctor wear a white coat and stethoscope. Doctor give medicine and injection. Doctor like a god. Thank you.
I want to become a spokesperson.
Good morning to all. Doctor treat sick people. Doctor give rapid advice related to health. They give medicine before medicine. Doctor ask the patient 3 questions for analyze the patient health condition. They help feel better. They help feel better. Doctor use tools like stethoscope, thermometer, etc. Doctors wear mask and gloves. Doctors patient in hospital fully. He saved lives. He take of her patient. There are many kind of doctors like pediatrician doctor, eye doctor, dental doctor, ENT doctor, etc. Doctors are kind and helpful. In India, first July, we celebrating Nurse Doctor Day. I want to become a doctor when I grow up. Thank you. Good morning to all. I am I teach English, science, history and mathematics. Thank you.
I want to become a chess master.
I am the boxer. Good morning to all. I am J. Kalika. My aim is to become a doctor. Want to help children. Doctor save life every day. I study hard to achieve my dream. I want to make my parents and the teachers proud. I will always be safe and love. I want to be a role model of that. Thank you.